Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmoneyweb.com, making this small video about Bitcoin and how it is moving and giving me trades with my Magic IB system. So let's get started. This is the chart I made on the 29th of October, and it is showing an incomplete butterfly, which is in the making, right? So butterfly pattern is X, A, B, C, D, like this. Finish up at D, and then you can call it butterfly. But my trading style is different, and I usually trade this pattern from C to D. This big leg, that's what it is. If you can pinpoint where it is making a turn, usually it is 22% line. So I have marked here, and then if it goes above this line and then start going to the upside, and if I find my entry, right, on my Magic IB system, a long setup, then I'll take it. And the idea is to take it all the way to this point D, and then it will drop from there, just like the diagram is saying, right? So what happened to this chart is this: it went up all the way straight to the target, 127 point D, and the butterfly pattern is finished here, and then it's supposed to drop, and it did back to the TL, this rising TL, right? So, and it went down a lot more, but this is what the target, this is the pattern, and then a trading system, trading strategy is of this pattern, butterfly pattern. But what good it is going to do to me is this: when it was going up from here, this is what I did. You see that? From it was bouncing from the point C there. This is where the bounce is, and the first entry, the second entry by the book. My Magic IB setup, like I said, that I only take the trades when I see my proper setup with 4 conditions, right? And this is what it is here. And then I got in, and from 61,315, that's almost there. My entry is the 61,315 to all the way to 62,930. And that was my target, and that's why I have it written there. It's a daily high, actually, on the daily chart. You can see it, easy to find that number. So that's how beautiful it is. I'm just getting into this cryptocurrencies, and I find at least this Bitcoin I'm trading right now, and I find it very, very easily moving between the numbers. It's amazing that how it is moving between the numbers. So just wanted to show you guys this. And then so far today, not today, but this week, also you can see the week started on the 30th, but it's the 31st October. Again, the Bitcoin, beautiful long entry here, right? Same scenario, same setup. Yellow is above the black. This indicator all the way down, making lower high, and red candle turns into blue. I open the trade. This is a little bit long because this thing moves so fast. By the time you see the setup and make the intention that, okay, let me go and open the trade, it is already there by the time you press the buy button. So sometimes it moves fast. So not in this case, but yeah, in other case I saw the thing. Just if it moves fast. Anyway, so this was the first one here, and then the second one to the downside. Right, beautiful short entry, and all the way to the next number. See this, the number to number, right? And after that, I had another one. Not this one. This is pound Aussie. Here. So the first one that I just showed you was from here to here, 6113. That was a smaller time frame. This is a little higher time frame, so it retraces back to the higher time frame. Make the same kind of setup again. Start dropping. I got in here, and next number, 6747. And I actually predicted that on one of my well, I forgot about it. So yeah, so now this one, and actually I don't know what happened to the dates here. What is up here? All right, so oh yeah, that was another chart I recorded after this. After like 5 minutes later, I realized, and then I recorded the chart again with the date and this and that. So that was on, you see here, November 1st. Okay. So this is how it is. It's moving very good with this Magic Ivy system. I mean, Bitcoin, and I'm having fun. So if you want to be a part of it, you want to get a hold of the system and learn. Where the heck is the name of my website? Oh, right. So this is the name here. So myforestmagicwave.com. You can go there and subscribe and be a part of it. Get the chart. Get the system. The indicators, the E, and all that. Set up the charts and start trading. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful the rest of the trading week.